Hello. So we went ahead and finished the project, and I just wanted to show you a couple more things. This is actually the finished project board. This would be a waste board. You could expand the array to fill the entire machine, obviously. I went ahead and I didn't change point A, so point A is still right there at the top of the hole. And we're going to go ahead and try the multi-point feature just so that we can verify that it's working. So let me just show you how fast the program loads. This is the shortcut to it, and it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and connect, and I'm going to make the window just a little bit bigger here. Alright. Okay, so we're connected, and again, I have my wireless keypad here, and when it's in jog mode, you can move right and left, etc. Right? Um, but number 5 actually saves the multi-point point. So right now it's not doing anything because I don't actually have the screen open to the multi-point. But if we open the screen to the multi-point, then we can actually use 5. So let me go. I'm gonna go to point 1, which is A. So that's the first starting point, and we're gonna try to make a crisscross between these points. We're not gonna be exact, but we'll get close enough. Um, with the multi-point. So I'm going to open up the multi-point tool now, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and add this first location here. Okay, so we got the first location there. Now I'm going to move up and right to pretty close there. Um, yeah, that looks like it. All right, and I'm going to hit 5. 5 should save the new multi-point, and you'll see right here added to it. Right, now I'm going to move this way, bottom right. Okay. Yeah, these should, since they're all exactly 1 inch, we should be able to just jog this way and this way without having to jog right and left at all, because it should be exactly a 45-degree angle on each side. All right, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it to make sure, and that looks good. So I'm going to multi-point save. I'm going to continue up this way, and that looks pretty close. And we're going to continue down this way. Oh, okay. Save that one. Save that one. Save that one. And save that one. Okay, so that's gonna be my multi-point cut, and I'm gonna make it. We're just gonna do a 1 layer cut. So I'm gonna go down 0.1 inches, and actually let's do a 2 layer cut, but I'm gonna make this 0.05 so we don't cut too deep on the first round, and I'll make that 0.1. That should be fine. Okay, and I'm going to generate the G code, and I'm going to preview it just to see what it looks like. Okay, and that's exactly what I wanted. If this is a 2-point, um, a 2-pass, so as you see, it's going to start here, going to continue down. When it gets to the end, it will go down another depth, which you can barely see, but it is there. And then it will come back and retrace the lines. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I'm going to go ahead and just run this now. Let me turn on the router, and then I'll click send. Okay, so what happened? Two things actually happened. Number one, point A, I forgot to, since on the first project, what we did is we drilled the holes and then resurfaced. Um, Z0 was at the top of that resurface, and point A was supposed to be at 0, but I never re-zeroed since the surface. So actually, point A was above the wood. So on the first pass, it actually went down without doing anything. It was cutting air, so to speak. And then when it came here, it actually continued back this way, and then it stopped about right here because the stupid recording software that I have locked up the computer. It's not the first time that that's happened, but after I was able to kill the recording software, my software was actually able to finish the cut. So I just wanted to show you this is what it looks like. And this is just an example of what you can do with multi-cut. If you had a pattern that you wanted to, create or trace, you could put that on the board and just go around and mark all the points and then set the depth, and it would actually cut that out. All right, so that's just a quick demonstration of what you can do with the multi-cut option without having to program or draw anything. It's just a way to trace a template on a piece of wood.